Hi everyone, I'm Anish. Actually, I'm really happy to come in front of you because you give me a good response for that video. I just put that video just time pass, okay. But most of the viewers posted their valuable comments and they told me to send another song for the page. So I'm really happy. I cannot say any words because I'm really happy. That's okay. So I'm I'm really excited. So I cannot speak well. Okay, sorry. So come to the point. My next song that is Muchakma Ningle. Okay, that's for only the viewers and those who are commented and like those who are shared the video. I'm really thankful to them, and I'm really dedicate that this song to the all Tripura people. Okay, so Naithakma Ningle. Okay. Naithakma Ningle, Muchakma Ningle, Nini Mo Kilaka Anakobo, Kilaka Anakobo, Kano Nini Kora, Kano Nini Kora. Naithakma Ningle, Muchakma Ningle, Nini Mo Kilaka Anakobo, Kano Nini Kora, Kano Nini Kora. Lama himte okolo polaya no nono shimita no shimita sugo Kukibon no go iman mutangai kena khora Kukibon no go iman mutangai kena khora Nini mo Kilaka anakobo Kilaka anakobo Kano Nini kora Kano Nini kora Naithakma Ningle Muchakma Ningle Naithakma Ningle Muchakma Ningle. So thank you for everyone. Okay, I will post next time a Hindi song. So please support and send your valuable comments and thank you for everything. Okay, bye.